Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. It's Wednesday, January 8, 2020. Still feels weird to say 2020. I want to make a short video of what sold. I only sold 3 things since the last video of what sold, but I also have a question for you other resellers out there. Something that I did, not sure if it's a mistake or if it's good strategy. I typically never do this, and I'll save it for the end of the video, and this is a really short video. So the first item that I sold, I'll put up here somewhere. This is a Masters of the Universe action figure. This is vintage from the 80s. Never heard of this one before. I think it's called Gwildor. He's got a little bit of damage, which I disclosed all of that in the item description and the condition. Some of the high points, he's missing paint on his face. He's not perfect. No accessories. Took a little while, but it sold for $9.95 with shipping on top. I paid basically $4 for this. If you haven't seen the older videos, I think it's episode 40 is my score video. So it's called like my Motu Craigslist score, something like that. I bought about 52 action figures for $200. And the only reason I bought it is because on the Craigslist ad in the photos, I saw one item that I thought was pretty valuable. And that's I just sold that one too. It's called the Faker. It's like the He-Man Nemesis. I knew that was worth 25 to 30 bucks, so I figured all of those for 200. I took a gamble. Some of it was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and some others I had never heard of before. I've already made my money back because of this mega score. Episode 42. There was an action figure in that lot that I didn't notice until I did some research. Sold for over $130 just for that one. So I don't think the guy selling me the action figures knew it either, and I didn't know it. But sometimes when you take a gamble and you buy a big lot of stuff, Fisher-Price vintage toys, Legos, sometimes there'll be a little treasure in there, and it's worth your time to buy. This next item is a coffee cup. This is Villeroy and Bach. I'm trying to get my pronunciation right. Basically paid 50 cents for this. Sold it for $11.96 because I put it on sale. It was $14.95. I have a 20% off sale, so the numbers are a little wonky, but $11.96. So 50 cents into basically $12. Not too bad. Easy ship too, $5. First class. Fits nice in a box. So the last one is this item. I'll put a picture. I'm going to try to do this right this time because my sister laughs at me. I'll put a picture up and then I'll put the item behind the picture because even though I edit this afterwards, sometimes I don't get everything right. But anyway, this is a ski leash that I bought 6 months ago. Paid $4 for it. So I'll hold it up here and then I'll put the picture over here, hopefully, if I get it right. Paid $4. It's new open box. So if you're new to reselling, this is not sealed. There's no stickers sealing this shut, but it is new. I opened it up, I took it out and took pictures of it, put it back. So I'm not selling it as brand spanking new, but new open box. So I also am not asking top dollar. Believe it or not, there was a lot of these on eBay at the time that I listed it. So I had to compete with a bunch of other people. So I listed it for $19.95. There were other ones that were new, sealed in the box for a little bit more money, so I wanted to undercut the competition a little bit. It's kind of funny, I got a best offer yesterday of $7, and it's listed for $19.95. Just ignored that offer. I didn't respond, didn't do anything, didn't counter, just ignored it. And then today, on the way home from work, my phone goes cha-ching. Love that sound. It's kind of addicting. Somebody offered me $15. Now, this is a weird thing. This is not Legos. This is not Nike shoes. This is not a hot item. I've had it for a long time. So if it's a reasonable offer on something that's hard to move, I'm going to take the offer. So I took the offer and sold it, and they paid me right away. So here's the question. I paid $4 for it, got 15, $4 into 15, not too bad. Always shipping on top in this situation. But here's the question. So I'll take this picture down. If you'll notice, I left the price tag, the original price tag on the box. Right there. So the original price tag is $24.99, and I left it on purpose, and I took a good picture of it and put it on there and made sure there was no glare that a potential buyer could see the original price was $24.99. So my question to my YouTube friends, do you leave the original price tag on there like that? Now, 99.99% of the time, I take the price tag off because I source a lot of things from estate sales, garage sales, thrift stores, and they got the little sticker. I don't want my cost of goods being displayed on eBay. If it's 50 cents or $1, I always remove that. And if it's a Sharpie, I use rubbing alcohol and a Kleenex and take it off. But this is the retail price tag. And I know people like Commonwealth picker Kevin, if he buys like an artificial Christmas tree, it's got an original price built into the tag or the advertising. It's just printed right there. You can't really remove it, and it doesn't hurt sales at all. Also, if you sell magazines or books, the original price is going to be on there. The magazine is right on the cover next to the UPC, and books, it's usually on the back or the inside. It's a real high price, like $24.95 and $34.95 in Canada. Those prices are there. I leave those too. I mean, it's not what I paid, that's just the original price. So it could be a tool, or it could be helpful to sell the item if they know originally it was 25 bucks and they can get it for $19.95. So what do? Do you take every price tag off, or do you just leave these on, or take them all off? What do you do? Put down in the comments below how you would handle this. Would you have removed this, or do you think it was a good idea that I left it there? I don't know. It's a weird item, so it takes a long time to sell no matter what you do. So that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that thumbs up. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. That way you get notified when I have new content. Instagram link is down below. Whenever I sell stuff like this, I post it on Instagram within the hour, and then you'll know right away what a good bolo or buy or be on the lookout for is and what actually sells on eBay. My email's down below. Shoot me questions. I get questions, and I love to answer those for people. And how-to videos, those are very popular. How to ship on eBay, how to list, how to source, how to price things, how to research. I linked those older videos that I created, the how-tos, and they're not really dated, but the production value is not as good. And you don't get this cool stuff like this. And like Enderman, he's not in all the old videos. But they're good, helpful videos. They're still true, and they're still helpful. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.